Hi friends, welcome to Cam Doctor Camera Repair Class. Today I have got one camera, Sony PD170. This model is in three models: PD 150, 170, 177. All the models are same, but little bit difference in the zooming and everything. That's only the features, only the difference. Now this camera has some problem with the monitor. As you see in the picture, the monitor already I opened. There's only 4 screws outside and inner screws 2 with the hinges and 3 screws on the chassis. This as see, you can see the picture. This LCD is an earlier model with the backlight. White one is backlight and the black one is the screen. LCD liquid crystal. So this has some problem. The picture is not showing blank when it is power on. There is only the blank screen is showing. So the problem likely to be in small board or in this LCD itself. But this board is having very strong IC and everything. That's why previously I didn't got any problem with the board. I think the problem must be in the LCD. The string inside the connector segment or something is missing. That is why the picture is not showing. It's an earlier model, about 10 years old model. So I don't have the LCD in stock right now with me. So I will arrange it from the agency and later I will change it. You can see the opening and changing is not a big matter. So a good camera. This has the cassette, DV cassette, digital video cassette, is small mini cassette is using. Normally the problem comes in the cassette drive mechanism. That changing also major work that I will show you later. So today about this LCD only I'm telling to you. The next episode I will show you the mechanism changing and some kind of other work also. So I think you may enjoy this. Please, if you like it, you just subscribe the channel and encourage me. So okay, everyone, thank you very much for watching. Bye.